Hold on. A Father's Love.
Real stupid.
Part 1. A messy old bed. That's not really a father's love, but...
Okay.
Wait, doing it. This is American Horror Story videos. Wait.
Okay.
Be gentle with him and then do it.
Bubby, okay?
Thank you, Joe.
You're welcome.
Do it again.
That's okay, Bubby.
He's getting all cozy and gentle, and then... Oh, he just gave up. We gotta bribe ourselves for kisses. Do it again.
Good boy.
Yeah! Give Daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Okay.
Alright, I'm
We'll
sorry.
stop.